Hello everybody, my name's Ian Eccleston and I'm the sales manager for our agent network here at Edale. Today I'll be taking you on a tour for our factory located on the south coast of England. I've taken you through to our customer experience centre where we have two machines, our FL5 single pass carton production line and our FL3 highly versatile, fully modular label printing press. At the end of the FL5 carton production line, we have a flatbed die cutter which enables us to cut, crease, emboss, waste stripping and product delivery in a single pass. Both of these machines are now fully up and running, so if you'd like to book a live demo or come down to Edale to visit us, we'd welcome you at any time. On our left here we have our FL1 Prime, which is currently under production. This is an 8 flexographic printing machine configuration with the rail mounted modules. We have the D-lam relam, the turn bar and the cold foil and lamination module. All can be positioned along the rail to the customer specification. So again, on our left here we have our FL3 Flexographic printing station, completely modular by design and can be tailored to the customer's requirements with individual HMIs on every print station, and every print station having 7 motors, 2 servo motors for the analogs and the impression roller, and 5 stepper motors for the red inking, impression and cross registration. Here we have our FL3 Flexographic printing press. This is a stock machine ready for short delivery again. This is a 10 colour configuration. We have our turn bar mounted on the rail system, our cold foil lamination module, and the 10 print stations. So every print station is fitted with 7 motors, 2 servo motors, 1 to drive the analogs and 1 to individually drive the impression roller. This has 5 stepper motors, 2 for the inking, 2 for the impression and 1 for the cross register. This machine configuration includes our easy die module, which enables quick changeovers for dies, and our slitting module here with our auto set knife positions.